How to fix something went wrong on Snapchat. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix something went wrong on Snapchat. Without further ado, let's get started. So the first solution that I'm going to show you is to actually switch to LTE. So to do that, just swipe down from the upper left right corner of the screen and it should open up your control center. So from here, just turn off the Wi-Fi by clicking on the Wi-Fi icon and turning on cellular data. And you should be opening up your LTE, and you can just go back to Snapchat if it is already working and this something went wrong error is fixed. If that does not fix that error, we can go to our settings page right here, go to General, click on iPhone storage, and from here you should see a list of your apps. So just navigate through and find Snapchat. So tap on that. And what we're going to do from here is to upload the app. So to upload the app, it will free up the storage used by the app. And in this way, you can actually reset some files in the app and might be clearing the cache as well, so that it might help in fixing such errors that we are facing. You just click on upload app and click on upload app again. And after you upload the app, you can just click on reinstall and try to log in again and see if the error is solved. If that does not work, you can also uninstall the app by pressing and hold on it. Click on remove app. Just click on delete app, and once you have uninstalled Snapchat, you can just go back to App Store and install Snapchat again. And the last thing that we're going to check if Snapchat is down at the moment, or if their servers are currently down. So to do that, just open up any browser you have. So I'm just going to open up Safari and search for Snapchat down detector. That. And you can click on this downdetector.com site, and we can see details if there are problems within the Snapchat servers and might be causing this problem. So that is how you can basically fix something went wrong on Snapchat. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.